Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise and I hope all are doing good. Today I've come up with a recipe which is everyone's favorite, that's ice cream, and this ice cream I'm going to make with just one ingredient. Yes, you all heard me right, just one ingredient, and that's banana. There are times when you have overripe bananas lying in your fruit basket and you don't know what to do with it. Here is an ice cream recipe that you can make and store. First, peel the bananas and chop them into small pieces. Using the same method, you can make ice creams with other fruits like mangoes, strawberries, blackcurrant, guava, and any other fruit of your choice. Now spread and place them on a plate or a tray and freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, transfer the frozen bananas into a mixer jar and blend them for 2 to 3 minutes continuously to get a nice creamy texture. Here I am not adding any sugar extra other than the sweetness of the banana. If you want it a little more sweet, you can add Milkmaid, sugar, maple syrup, honey, anything of your choice here. So you can see now the ice cream mix is ready. Transfer it into a container, whichever you are going to use to set the ice cream in, and then cover and freeze it for 5 to 6 hours until it sets completely. If you wish, you can sprinkle some chopped nuts or choco chips on top. This will go into the freezer for 6 hours. The ice cream is set. Let me scoop and show you. I don't have an ice cream scooper with me, that's why I'm using this ladle. So here is the first scoop. How easy and simple was that? Just one ingredient and you can enjoy guilt-free ice cream whenever you need. Excellent way to beat the heat and a perfect way to preserve your fruits. Top it with some extra nuts and choco chips. Even you can drizzle some chocolate sauce on top. I have shown the recipe of chocolate sauce in the 3 ingredient cake recipe video. If you haven't seen that, the link will be available in the description. You can check there. Hope you all enjoyed this super simple and easy banana ice cream recipe. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you're trying this recipe, don't forget to share me your feedback and your experience in the comments below. See you all soon with another simple and quick recipe. Till then, take care and bye bye.